Mile 9. Mile 9, 6 to go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9. We're 3/5 of the way done. Nice to see they got a lot of culverts.
Yeah, so they can go underneath instead of on top.
Yeah. Well, I think that just like Florida's taking out Old 41 because it disrupted the flow of water in the Everglades.
That's right. That's good.
Man, I got a workout.
Serious trouble as it is.
We've only gone 9 miles and my legs are turning to jello.
Get your battery off. Hi, birdie. Well,
Yeah, there's plenty of birds around.
The amount of dragonflies out there. You know?
I hear ya. That's nice with the sun under a cloud. Yeah, there's people back there on bikes, I think. Yeah, I see them in my rear view. I got 3. Yeah, there's definitely more gators on the other side for whatever reason.
Because they have the trees and stuff behind them.
I guess. Now I'm doing 13.
Yeah, they had all that nice shade.
Must be why. Yep, got a tailwind now. Doing 14. Wind must be blowing like 13 or 14 because it seems like there's no wind right now.
I know, it's wild, isn't it?
Yeah, it's right
like
right on our tail. Mile 10.
5 to go.
Yep, we're 2/3 of the way there.
Okay, what do you do? bird poop.
Yeah.
It must be a visiting spot.
Well, you gotta wonder if they don't roost on the road too.
There just went under.
You know what I mean?
He's right there. He just went under. He's probably gonna come up here and try to get Mr. Bird.
Yeah, them are cool birds. That's another pond you can go swimming in.
There you go. Not. Yeah, I can't believe that one put on a show for you. Right fast.
It's funny how they stand up, ain't it?
They go like hell. They use that tail like a rudder. There's one right there, scared the living Jesus out of me.
Yeah, he was pretty close to the road.
I just looked down and there he was. Oh, he had a butterfly sitting on the bike. Did you see it?
No? What kind? Don't you think that's amazing that in 2 days, we saved $20 off an annual pass, or I mean a lifetime pass.
Yeah, you keep saying annual.
Right, we turned in the annual and got a lifetime, and we saved $15 on the campground. So we saved, the National Park Service saved us $35 in 2 days. Not to mention campgrounds around here are $100 a night or something.
See, I told you this is acting up again. It goes down to 2, then it goes up to 5, then it back down to 2.
Sounds like you might want to use a different battery next time.
That's one that brings it down.
Because that one had a bad connection that we fixed.
Yeah, where's it at?
Probably in your bike, because I fixed it. Woo! Buddy, it's hot now.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Woo!
Making my neck sweat.
Yeah, there's no shade around here.
Yeah.
That bench right there.
Yeah, those are the other trees. I bet you there's alligators hiding there.
In the shade?
Be in the shade.
Oh, I gotta see what the sign says, and then I'm gonna keep going. It says something. It says wilderness. South Florida ranks among the nation's fastest growing urban areas, but harbors remarkable wilderness. Coexisting next to 6 million residents, the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas Wilderness Area preserves nearly 1.3 million acres of marine, estuary, mangrove, and cypress forest, hardwood hammock, and sawgrass prairie. It's the largest wilderness east of the Mississippi River. Cool. And that's why I'm here, checking it out. Now I gotta go catch Crystal. been at this an hour almost, 56 minutes. And we're at mile marker 11. 4 to go. There's the tram coming. No, ahead of us. See him out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says you got to pull over,
Yeah,
so we'll pull over long before he gets to us.